This is Shyam Sundar. I am Urban Pro Assured Tutor and I am with Urban Pro since more than 2 years. And actually, I started my teaching career way back in 1993. I was a computer instructor in those days, and I also diversified into government exports, where I was also giving training to merchandisers like me, my juniors. And in Urban Pro, I am doing spoken English, spoken Hindi, spoken Marathi, spoken Tamil, along with a few software courses like Tally and Excel. Spoken English is the main sought after course. This is basically because during school days, uh, the student might have not paid so much emphasis on the language, and now when he has to face the world, he needs to be more fluid. So actually, spoken English can be said as not being required to be taught, but required to be more refined. So what if you come as a student with me, you may have a demo with me and become my student. So I will see that your English becomes refined, and I will polish you in such a way that you tune yourself in a better your fluency will be tuned better, and you can be more confident while facing the world, while facing your clients, or while facing your seniors. And along with spoken English, I also teach spoken Hindi. I have a bachelor's degree in English and Hindi, and of course my mother tongue Marathi and my state language Tamil. These are in these things I am fluent. I would request you that you can book a demo with me. You may call Urban Pro and ask to book a demo with Sham Sundar. That's my name. And once you are satisfied about my the course material and way of teaching, you may join with me, and I will see to it that your confidence level improves. And let's hope to have a very nice interactive session during our class. I'll see to it that all this happens.
In this video, I will discuss some 10 points on how important is it to learn English in today's time and what are the advantages of learning the English language. Firstly, English is a global language, which means English is an international language and most of the people around the world use it as a medium of instruction and communication. The second point is studying English can help you get a job. Obviously, you can get jobs in high paying MNCs, or you can even go abroad, or you can learn English to get a job in a local company. Learning English can help you meet new people. Why? Because it is the official language of 53 countries in the world. Many scientific papers are written in English. If you see the past scientists, most of the developments in the Western countries in the region of science have been done in English. And as you progress towards future, the work done by the previous scientists will continue developing, and this will require the English language to be known. Then fifth point, English is the language of the media industry. Media means films, television, etc. Just see the success of Hollywood in the global market of films. And if you know English, you can enjoy your favorite books, songs, films and TV shows without relying on any translator or subtitles. Then sixth point is English is the language of the internet. More than half of the content on the internet is written in English. And traveling is a lot easier with good knowledge of English. So if you are traveling from state to state or going to a different country, English will be your powerful guide as a means of communication to people who don't know your native language. English is one of the most important languages for business. Eighth point. So especially in the export-import industry, English plays a very important role. With English, you can study all over the world. Obviously, not only in English-speaking countries, but also in countries like China and Germany. They have special divisions for English-speaking students. And as you all know, maybe knowing, Germany has so many courses free of cost. English gives you access to multiple cultures. So every city, every state, every country has different cultures, different traditions. So if you are going to settle or migrate to some of that place, you can read a translated book about the culture of that place and become a part of that place. So of course English has such a great importance. So these were some of the points which I have chalked out, telling the importance of English language and why you should learn English language. So if you're really keen on learning an English language, hire some tutor, get a guide. Or I am also available. I am Shyam Sundar, Urban Pro Assured Tutor. You can contact Urban Pro to have a demo with me, and maybe you will hire me as your tutor. I will do my best to improve your level of English. Thank you.